Meriton Dijito. If you're a Western man looking for a genuine, traditional, and serious relationship with a Filipina, you've probably noticed two things. 1. Filipino women are family-oriented, loving, and loyal. But 2. Navigating the online world to find someone truly serious can feel like a minefield. In this video, I'm giving you the honest and filtered roadmap from a Filipino's perspective on how to find a true partner. Not a pimple and definitely not a headache. We're going to cover where to look, how to test her sincerity from 1,000 miles away, and how to build a real connection without money getting in the way. If you're ready for real advice, hit subscribe because we are changing things up on this channel to help you understand all the moving parts of life, culture, and relationships here. Let's get started. Let's start with step number 1. Where are you looking? My absolute best advice if you want a serious partner is to actually visit the Philippines. Come here, travel, explore our beautiful countries. Be friendly and try chatting to Filipinos wherever you go. Whether you're at a coffee shop, a mall, or traveling through the provinces. Meeting naturally is a real word that you see a person through character right away. But if you can't get to the Philippines just yet, you need to be very smart online. Avoid casual chat apps or high-volume dating platforms where people are just looking for attention. Instead, use a reputable dating app with a lot of checks in place to protect you. Like Christian Filipina. Now, I will be honest with you. It is much pricier than the standard high-volume dating apps. But it is absolutely worth it if you are serious and don't want to get scammed by fake profiles. You can follow my link in the description below for a pre-initial sign-up to see how it works. Your starting points determines 50% of your success. Now, let's say you've met someone nice through an app. Or perhaps you met briefly during a past holiday. But you're back home now. You live thousands of miles away and you can't jump on a plane by tomorrow. How do you know she's the real deal? You have to look closely at her transparency and her lifestyle. First, a serious woman will want to see your face and show you hers. If she always has an excuse for why her cameras doesn't work, that's a massive red flag. Second, her world. Does she show you her life when you video call? Does she introduce you to her family, even just a quick hello to her mom or her sibling on screen? A woman who is hiding you as her daily life is usually hiding you something else. A serious Filipina who sees a future with you will want her family you exist. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Money. How do you support a woman or show you care without relationship becoming transaction-based? Here is my gold standard rule. Focus on her future and her growth, not her daily expenses. In the early stages, a good Filipina will not ask you for money. She has dignity and she is used to working hard or relying on her family. If requests for emergency money, hospital bills, or phone loads, you need to step back. If the relationship progresses and you want to help her, invest in things that build her independence. Learning a skill or tools for her job. True support helps her stand on her own 2 feet. If a man pays for absolutely everything right away, he accidentally creates a dynamic where the relationship is about survival, not love. Keep money out of the conversation for as long as possible and watch how she reacts. A serious woman is investing her heart in you, not looking for your wallet. My last piece of advice for this overview is about time. If you are truly serious about finding a lifetime partner, you should make plans to come and meet her in person as soon as possibly can. There is so much you can find out face to face that you simply cannot tell online. You get to see how she treats people around her, how she reacts to real life situations, and if that spark is truly there, there is no point wasting months or years investing your emotions and your time in a dead-end relationship that doesn't work in the real world. Set a deadline for a physical trip. Keep your feet on the ground and don't let a long distance connection drag on forever without a real world meeting. Finding a true partner takes patience, boundaries, and the right mindset. But when you find a genuine Filipino who loves you for who you are, it is worth every single mile. This is just the beginning, and just to go into more details on these topics and many more to give you the honest local insight you need to navigate travel, culture, and relationships here smoothly. Drop a comment below. What's the biggest challenge you face when you're trying to connect with someone from Philippines? I reply to as many comments as I can. Don't forget to check the description for the Christian Filipina link. Like this video and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye!